Okay, ready?
Catch it.
Are you ready?
Catch it. Catch it. Catch it. Hold it. Hold it.
You gotta hold it tight.
Hold it. Catch the ice.
I'm sorry, Amy was trying to. There were all kinds of things that.
All right, give her to Danielle first. Danielle, this and a banana. You're so pretty.
Yeah, just to prove my point. Primo.
It's going too hard.
Oh, God. Have you ever?
Got you again. Come on, fucko. Oh, the pan broke. Are you okay? No, the pan broke.
It's not a cake.
You do? Why? You love cake.
I know. I like
You don't love cake? Did you get that on film? Oh my.
Things like storage and shopping bags. And I want to see if they can actually make a biodegradable pack. So that when the coconut gets thrown in the garbage, it actually totally biodegrades. So what is this?
But I'm going to send him a couple of versions of it. Maybe that will work for him so that he'll know what's going on.
I thought it was Sasquatch.
Come on, hold on a second, dude. Just stay up. Quit. Quit. All right, go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh, Jesus. That scared the shit out of me.
Well, that's out there.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Single button.
Just try me.
It's kissing. Okay, what do you want, Hannah?
Dr. Pepper.
2 Dr. Peppers, please.
Dr. Peppers, anybody else?
Could be trusted around my new baby brother, so I got a group free out.
Jesus! That's bad.
This toilet is smoking.
Smoking.
The toilet is smoking.
What's happening?
No, it's not.
It is smoking, Dad. Look at the toilet.
Got a cigarette sticking out of the smoke.
It's not. Oh.
Why am I not
the water. Get that poor fish out.
A speeding ticket from Maryland.
Oh my God. Oh my God. You did it again. Stop it. Turn it off.
Come here, test one Mama's cookies. Come here.
Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. What was that?
Hey, watch it, watch it, watch it.
She can't have a hard joke.
Like the warm up. Whoa! You guys!
Your step?
I'm not.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Where'd it go?
John.
What are you doing? For the final stick.
I don't know where to put my coat.
You can just hang it there. Careful, he's just kind of sleeping a little bit.
Okay. Where is he?
She's been dying to do that to you, Jeannie.
I have to finish. Well, you can finish it after you start my final. You're on my time now. Okay, you need to separate.
What the heck was that?
Somebody see her prank you. Somebody see her.
Hey, good morning.
Tell me now, how does it feel?
Chris?
She might know something.
Yes, he got it on film.
The kids had this project, so I'm just texting someone. The kids had this project.
Like, write it down. I like the card. Why are you scared to torture you?
Really launches the Play Yellow. It's another Play Yellow campaign, and I know that supports a lot of hospitals. 170 hospitals.
What do we want to eat tonight?
I'll give you 3 choices.
Snake, snake, snake!
I said, Diana, get in here and clean this up. And she goes, first, give me some clean. Oh my God, I peed my pants! You freaking people are weirdos!
Oh my God!
Ah, Marty!
Yo, it's so disgusting. Hey, Mom.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
You're gonna kind of walk into this bush area.
There's no snakes. You're good.
Yep, keep walking. I'm gonna position you. Just turn around. And then you step back until you feel a wall.
And then
Good.
scoot to your left or right.
Over.
Scoot to your right.
Okay. Alright. And your hand is ready to touch your bride.
Hold on. All right, David, don't turn around, but go ahead and take off your blindfold for me. And just look at me and smile. You can drop it, just throw it off. Perfect. And look at me, both of you, and smile. And then go ahead and reach for your hands. Yeah, reach up. And then, bride, can you come forward for me?
Something Disney on him?
I don't know, it's Mickey.
Open it real quick.
Were they butterflies?
Open it fast.
Come, I gotta show you something.
Okay? But, okay, when I go like, 1, 2, but those start looking so close.
Okay,
You
alright,
make me nervous.
alright.
You can look at them too.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna put it in there, okay?
Okay.
Do you see that? You see it?
Yes.
Look at this.
Ah!